So you have a bunch of files in sequence that you need renamed, but you don't want to do it by hand. So here's the fastest way to do it. Go to the folder, right click, go to new text document, name it files.bat. Right click on files.bat and go to edit. In there you're going to type dir space /b space asterisk period, the file names of the files you want renamed, PNG in my case. Greater than symbol, files.csv. Save this, and then double click on files.bat in the folder. Immediately you'll have files.csv. Double click on that, open it in Excel. You'll see all the files in that folder listed in each row. Go to B1, and here you're going to put your prefix if you want a prefix. And in the suffix, we want enumeration, so we're going to go to Format Cells, Text, and we're going to type in a 5-digit number. And 0000, and we're going to start with number 5 instead of 1. And D1, we're going to type equals, double quote. In this example, we're going to use copy because it's non-destructive. But if you want to use rename in its place, you can do that as well. Copy, space, double quote, the and symbol, A1, our file name, the and symbol, double quote, space, double quote, the and symbol, our prefix, the and symbol, our suffix, the and symbol, double quote, dot PNG, double quote, enter. Highlight B1 through D1 and double click on the knob. It'll fill it in all for you. And highlight column D, copy that into the clipboard. Go back to Notepad. Control A, highlight everything. Control V, paste what you just copied in the clipboard. Save it again. Close Notepad. Close Excel. Double click on files.bat again. And bam. You got all your files renamed. You're done.